Hello， 大家好，今日教大家整一球燒肉，整五花肉先整一塊，啲塊咧係 1.5 kilo， 大約係3斤，即係30斤一 1.5 kilo， 3斤重咁上下啦。咁咧嗰球豬肉洗乾淨，擎乾水啦，咁啊嗱，球大約係半隻手指仔咁上下啦吓，咁啊半隻手指仔咁啊解開佢，唔好切到落層皮雪喎，錫住佢嚟解喎嗱，咁啊解開佢幾粒嗱，咁啊嗱咁解開佢嗱，好靚啊球五花肉咧，好啱肥瘦，又唔太肥又唔太瘦啦，好啱肥瘦啊，咁咧首先咧就落少少胡椒粉先咧。
Okay, guys, so this is a pork belly my mom have over here. It weighs about 1.5 kilograms. And then she also made some slits almost towards the pork belly skin. As you can see, it's about 2 fingers apart from this pork belly. So now she's gonna show you guys how to spice the meat.
Okay, 落些少胡椒粉。
Over here, she's sprinkling some white pepper.
少少 white pepper。好啦，咁跟住咧落2匙羹鹽啊，兩個 teaspoon 鹽啊。
Now she is adding in 2 teaspoons of salt, table salt.
如果是你球豬肉大球啲，你落多少少。基本上2匙羹都差唔多。
If your pork belly is way bigger than our pork belly over here, you can add in more salt.
咁跟住咧，五香粉添，一個 teaspoon 五香粉夠。嗱，一個 teaspoon 五香粉。
Okay, she also added in 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice powder.
乜啲面豉有限公司，面豉又係2匙羹啦，2匙羹咁上下啦。
Okay. This is minzi, which is like a bean sauce.
呢邊不2匙羹，咁不切2匙羹咧，撈勻佢就得㗎啦。
Okay, so it's 2 teaspoons of bean sauce, and you're just gonna rub it into the pork belly.
咁咧，你用隻手嚟摸勻晒佢。同佢massage。
Now we're just gonna massage the spice into the pork belly.
咁佢先入味㗎嘛。好啦，咁反轉佢。
Now we're gonna flip it over to the pork belly skin side.
反轉佢。好啊，嗱。
Put it on a tray here. 攞佢條布先，抹佢呢度，整一啲便士啊！好啦，咁到呢邊啦，呢邊咧先落兩匙羹bicarbonate of soda， 2個 teaspoon。 Okay, first we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda. This will make the pork belly skin crispy when it's air fried. You can put this in your oven or in your air fryer or in your microwave grill. But for this pork belly, we're using the air fryer.
咁啊，落少少水。
Okay, now we're gonna add in a little bit of water.
少少水，大約一兩個 teaspoon 啦。攞隻羹裝，攞隻羹擺喺度。嗱，2羹3羹，咁啊有少少水濕濕啲，磨勻晒咗，唔使多㗎，濕濕啲。
Just gonna add in about 3 teaspoons of water, and then we're just gonna dissolve the bicarbonate of soda and rub it into the pork belly skin.
好啦，嗱咁啊散勻晒啦，散勻晒咁啊到落2匙羹鹽，2個 teaspoon salt。
Now we're also gonna add in 2 teaspoons of salt.
都差唔多啦，2羹一齊，咁啊磨勻晒佢。
Also rub it into the pork belly skin.
搞掂。咁啊由佢就咁掟咗落雪櫃雪到佢雪過佢隔夜。聽日咧，明日咧攞出嚟咧就煲大滾水，煲大滾水，咁啊煮佢大約係10分鐘咁上下啦。煮佢10分鐘，反一反佢，咁啊攞出嚟，攞張刀刮一刮，然之後鬆一鬆針，鬆佢100幾廿下，咁啊〜鬆佢100幾廿下搞掂啦，咁啊先係烘上邊，大約25分鐘咁上下啦嚇，25到30分鐘咁上下啦，咁啊再烘翻呢度25分鐘，咁就 OK 啦。咁啊搞掂啦，嚇咁啊完成，大功告成。
Okay, so my mom said we're just gonna throw this into the fridge, uncovered.
冇落保鮮紙喎，有佢喎，等佢個雪櫃抽乾佢喎。等個雪櫃抽乾晒佢，咁烘起上嚟先靚喎。落保鮮紙冚住佢就唔得靚噶咯，就咁樣。
Yeah, so you're gonna put this into your fridge uncovered overnight, and then the next day we're gonna boil
boiling water.
the pork, and then before we put it into the air fryer.
Yeah.
And we'll show you this tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hello， 嗱，嗰嚿豬腩咧，嚿豬腩好似大咗少少咁，放落去個咪波爐水未必放得到，大咗少少。放咗放嚿五花肉落去，烚咗佢先，反轉佢先，烚佢10分鐘咁上下啦，烚佢10分鐘咁上下，咁啊反佢，咁啊〜攞出嚟鬆針，鬆咗針咁就 OK 啦。
Okay, so the pork belly has been left in the fridge overnight. So now we got some hot water, 1 wok of hot water. We're just gonna boil the pork skin first for 10 minutes. Then we will swap it around.
烚佢咧，第一個咧就容易鬆針啦。第二個咧刮一刮佢咧，你唔烚過佢咧，燒出嚟啊個效果冇咁靚㗎。一定要烚咗佢鬆咗針，然之後先再去烘咧，咁個塊燒肉先係靚㗎喎。如果是你生烘咧，嗰塊燒肉燒得冇咁靚㗎喎。 嗱，咁咪差唔多啦嗱，差唔多啦，10%啦，咁啊攞出嚟得啦，攞個車裝好佢啊！大家好，嗱，嗰嚿燒肉咧就啱好飛咗水啦，滾咗水放落去滾佢10分鐘，反一反佢，咁啊後尾15分鐘都 OK 嘅，咁啊攞出嚟，咁啊攞咗佢出嚟咧就攞中刀咧刮佢，刮一刮佢就鬆針啦。攞中刀刮一刮佢層皮，係。OK 啦。咁啊，鬆針咧，你可以用刀用刀叉都冇所謂嘅，反正咧你密住手去吉佢100幾10下就 OK 㗎啦。唔吉好晒咧就可以烘得。
Okay, so first my mom used the knife to scrape the pork belly skin. Next you're just gonna get yourself some forks and just poke a lot of holes on the pork skin. So when you roast it in the air fryer, the skin is gonna bubble up.
如果是你唔實咗佢咧，鬆唔到針㗎。
The reason why we boiled the pork belly is because if you don't do that, you won't be able to poke holes into the pork belly skin. 有啲人問點解攝咗佢即係落味道啊？
攝咗佢落味道咧就冇咁好嘅，生醃好晒佢已經入晒味啦。烚咗佢先入落味道咧就冇咁入味啦。
Some of you in the previous videos that we made on the Siu Yuk, you said why don't you just boil the pork belly before you marinate the pork? As you can see, it won't work out. The flavors won't get into the pork. And you don't want so much of that spice when you roast this pork belly. So once you boil this pork belly and a lot of its spices come out, yeah, you'll be the right amount of flavor for the pork belly. Okay, it's ready. We'll put it into the.
我驚佢黐啊壞嘢喎，驚佢黐啊壞嘢，落少少油咁啊掃一掃佢。因為佢啱好有啲篤出嚟咧，有些少血水，得有少少血水咧，索一索佢先，驚佢黐嗰塊嘢啊，即係個 air fry 啊。嗱，咁就得，搞掂啦，索嗰啲水啊，
I'm also gonna brush some oil on the pork belly skin, so it won't stick onto the air fry when it's heating.
嗱，咁就搞掂啦。
Okay.
睇下咁樣啱唔啱 size 先，好似大咗少少咁。
就咁塞落去咯。
哦，又 OK 喎。
Okay. We're first gonna air fry the meat section first before we flip it for the skin section. 幾耐？
先整佢咩啦？
10分鐘啦。
25啊。整佢25分鐘先啦。
Okay, we're gonna air fry it first at 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, after 20 minutes, let's check.
25 minutes.
After 25 minutes, let's flip it around.
用個叻先得。咁惡劣嘅，黐得，咁 咁樣調調啲聲。好，嗱有少少黐啲嘅。要攞個砧板出嚟先，我要鬆針，鬆針佢就靚好多啦。
Okay, we're gonna poke it. We're gonna poke the pork belly skin more
呀，再鬆
before we
個
put
鬆
it back into the air fryer.
呢啲着燈啊，先得。嗱，鬆針佢先，要黐嘅咧，所以咁鬆數佢咧。吉多佢幾下咧，咁佢誒燒得好靚。
Okay, we're gonna poke this more and then we're gonna put it back into the air fryer.
呀，多佢幾下。嗱，有塊皮啲黐出嚟。啲都卜卜脆啊。好啦，好香啊！好正啊！脆卜卜啊，紅雲當頭啊！紅雲當頭啊，紅雲當頭啊！哎呀，嗱整啱佢，驚佢
啊，仔啦！
排開。
幾耐啊？
我諗又係20分鐘上下
先啦。
20分鐘先啦，20 minutes 先啦。
Okay, we're gonna air fry for another 20 minutes to check it out.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check this out.
睇下先，咦，得晒啦，靚啊，噼里啪啦靚啊，脆卜卜啊，呀，夠晒啦，夠晒火爐啦，100% 啊，100% 啊，靚啊。
Oh, guys, we're gonna chop this up for dinner tonight.
好啦，斬燒肉啦，脆卜卜斬燒肉啦。嗱，靚燒肉啊！因為凍咗喎，凍香咧最好啊！
加到微波爐。
微波爐去燈佢去軟腍腍嘅咁靚嘅。好靚，靚脆卜卜。嗱，你睇下，靚脆卜卜，流緊一嚟啊！唔係講咁多，偷求食先。脆卜卜，好正，number one。等佢夾咪知啊。直到唔想一點樣醬嘅。搞掂。搞掂咩？食埋一嚿。
俾個 like 啊！
多謝大家欣賞、讚賞，多謝大家點讚，好正啊！唔睇脆卜卜靚。
Guys, if you like my mom's crispy pork belly recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks guys for watching.